In this video, we'll take a look at some of the key features of the new AOPA Go mobile app. AOPA Go runs on iOS and Android-based smartphones and tablets. The AOPA Go app is designed to provide a better mobile experience for two of AOPA's most popular website apps, AOPA Airports and AOPA Weather. In addition, select features from the AOPA Flight Planner have been included in the app to assist in retrieving weather briefings, reviewing METARs and tasks for the route of flight, and filing flight plans. AOPA Go integrates with the online AOPA Flight Planner and allows your saved routes to be imported for easier route weather retrieval. AOPA Go is free for AOPA members. Just search for AOPA in the Apple Store or on the Google Play Store. Let's get started and take a look at some of the key features of AOPA Go. The first time you launch AOPA Go on your device, you will need to log in using your AOPA website credentials. After logging in, review the terms and conditions and click the Accept button at the bottom to continue to the application. Since this is the first login, you'll be alerted that you need to download the AOPA Airports database and airport runway diagrams. Select OK and then proceed to the Download section of the app to download the data files. This will provide access to the AOPA Airports Directory and runway thumbnails even when you're not connected to the internet. You will see a red numeric badge over the Downloads tile anytime there's a database update available to download. Once the downloads are complete, you can return to the home screen by clicking the menu button in the top left corner of the screen. Here's a quick tip. Anytime you want to return directly to the home screen or go to a specific section of the app, swipe your finger to the right, starting on the left edge of the screen. This will reveal a sidebar menu and allow you to go directly to the section you want. The home screen is organized with tiles representing the different app features. Simply click on the tile for the section you want to use and the app will open that module. I'll select the Airports tile to start. As long as your device has a GPS location, it will be able to provide a list of the nearest airports to your present location. You can change how this list is sorted by clicking the Sort button in the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, you can select distance, name, identifier, city, or runway length to change how the airports are arranged in the nearby list. Each airport tile in the list shows basic information about that airport. This includes the name and identifier, the longest runway available, field elevation, and common communication frequencies. A color code representing the current weather condition is also displayed in the right corner of the airport tile if that airport provides weather reporting. This is a handy feature to quickly see the conditions over a region or route and can assist in go or no-go decision making. Tapping on any of the airport tiles opens up that airport information card and provides much more detail. From here, you can see a satellite image of the field, or click on the runways icon to view a thumbnail of the runways. The satellite and runway window can be expanded to full screen by simply clicking on the image. Clicking the X in the left corner takes you back to the airport details card. Scrolling through the airport details page, you'll find helpful information about the airport that all comes from the online AOPA Airport Directory. This information includes airport usage, traffic pattern altitudes, types of approaches, lighting schedules, communication frequencies, runway details, local nav aids, and the operating schedule. At the bottom, you will find fuel prices, remarks, and comments from other AOPA members. 4 tabs at the bottom of the airport details page allow you to see other nearby airports, check the weather at the current selected airport, and see a list of FBOs and other services that are at or nearby the current airport. You can add any airport to a list of favorites by clicking the Add button in the top right corner. You can then access that list by selecting the Favorites tab at the bottom of the airport list screen. Another popular product is the AOPA Weather application. AOPA Go puts all the weather information from the online AOPA Weather product at your fingertips for easy access. Clicking on the Weather tile and you're provided a regional NexRad radar image and a list of current METARs and tasks for nearby weather reporting stations. Clicking on the radar image will expand the window and display an animated version of the radar graphic. You can zoom in on this image by using common pinch to zoom gestures. Again, a color code representing the weather conditions is displayed in the upper right corner of each station tile. You can choose translated or raw METAR and TAF display with the toggle button. At the bottom of the nearby weather list, you will find a handy winds aloft table for various altitudes. Returning to the top of the page, we can view additional weather images and charts. Clicking on All Weather Images expands a list of weather graphics grouped by country and region. Selecting the United States, we'll see a list of various weather charts. Clicking on any chart thumbnail will expand the chart to the full screen. Some charts include layers. At the bottom of the chart image, you'll see a Layers menu if the selected chart provides layers. Click the menu to view the available layers. The charts support pinch to zoom, so you can make the images larger and then pan around on the enlarged chart. As important as checking the weather conditions for your departure and destination, it's also very important to know what the weather conditions are along your planned route. AOPA Go helps you do this easily with a feature we call Route Weather. To open Route Weather, start on the main menu and select Flight Planning. This module allows you to download saved routes that you have created using the AOPA Flight Planner on the AOPA website. You can also create basic point-to-point routes using the app if you haven't created a route using the Flight Planner. Once you've downloaded a route, you'll see basic information about that route, including the distance, fuel required, and estimated time en route, among others. At the bottom of the route detail screen, you can select tabs for Route Weather, Weather Brief, Navlog, and File. Let's look at the route weather for our selected route. Our flight takes us from Frederick, Maryland to Oshkosh, Wisconsin. When we open up the route, AOPA Go provides a list of all the weather reporting stations for a 100-mile wide corridor along our planned route of flight. Both METARs and TAFs are accessible using the tabs at the bottom of the page. Just as before, a color code in the right corner of each station tile shows the current weather conditions for all the stations along the route. This makes it easy to swipe through the list and see if there are any areas that may be a concern for our flight. This really helps you assess the go or no-go decision for each flight. After we've viewed our route weather, we can then proceed with a weather briefing provided by CSC Duots and file a flight plan when we're ready to go. Again, AOPA Go is a free AOPA member product and available now in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. We will be enhancing AOPA Go with exciting new features in the future releases and hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching.